Okay, so this is more of the Nobel Prize reminds me of the anthology series. Look how it's like, woohoo, we have a big shiny building, therefore we know everything. I don't know. I think I want to ask them about Obama. And how dare they give the Peace Prize to Obama as he escalated the war and protected the Bush Sigs from prosecution in Spain for war crimes. How meaningless this all is. It's just really empty right now. I'm going to ask about Obama. Maybe war and peace isn't really their specialty. Maybe they should let someone else decide.